Hello everyone. So today I'm trying to install a socket for my fridge. That is the socket here. And as you know, I was making space here, and I'm going to attach this cable because my fridge will be just in the cabinet next side. So the next step was bringing the cable up here. So lesson learned about this inverter: you cannot use them. They do DC to AC 12 volt to 110, and it's supposed to give me 300 watts. The fridge takes about 100. That is what it stated maximum. But that system doesn't work. I went back to the shop and wanted to buy a stronger inverter, but then they recommended not to use such an inverter for the fridge. I thought 300 watts are 300 watts. Well, no, it's not. Today I have an exciting day. I finally got a package from Germany. That's a very important one. It was a little bit expensive. And what was extremely terrible is the import tax in Curacao. They really know how to get your money. Really, this is so insane. Anyway, let's get the package open. So this tiny box cost a lot of money, but let's hope it will be of good benefit and good help. Navigation is important. Some things are just necessary. We shall see how the installation will work, and I'm wondering if I will manage to get all the electronics running once they are connected. There will be interesting and exciting things the next few days. Today I'm not gonna do that, still busy with other stuff. We shall see. At least one achievement. Today I finally finished the ceiling. This part is now closed. Today they are coming for my neighbor. This boat is leaving today. I hope I will be next. Probably not. This is boatyard on a Friday afternoon. Everything is busy. Everyone wants to get in the water fast. Me too, but I still have to wait. Today I have some better news. We did some hull check, the measurement of the humidity, and it looks quite good. So I'm getting to the point where I can start fiberglassing and closing all those damaged spots. So I started, of course, now with the final preparations. Normally I'm very slow to violence. I say it like that. But this sander is taking an eternity, so I switched now from the sander and I bought a grinder with some more rough sanding paper on it, and I'm grinding now with this one. So I had a normal sander. Yeah, I should have done it much earlier. I'm getting a little bit exhausted and tired of the life on the heart. Of course, it's not comfortable. You have no shower on board. You have to use the public shower, the same as with the toilet. So it's quite inconvenient, let's say that. But yeah, I managed now all these weeks, so we will manage the last few weeks too. I think I calculate with about 2 weeks. I hope by the end of the month, by end of May, being back in the water. and then still a lot of other work to do. This week has been a very intense week. Lots of things happening, lots of news, lots of ups and downs, but finally we are getting somewhere. I will see you then in the next episode, and I hope I can bring some more good news. And thank you very much. See you then in the next episode. Bye.